You know, Muzzy's always been on the cutting edge of innovation when it comes to bow fishing, and today's parts are no exception. So when it comes to shooting a spinner reel, you know, you're always thinking about, I don't want to pull super hard. I want to make sure that, you know, I can shoot again. I want to make sure that I can save my gear, right? Well, this line puller that also comes with a tactical rail mount on top is the ideal situation. So no matter what spinner you shoot, this line puller is designed to, if you get hung up, you know, in the ground or in the trees or in the roots or whatever, you can now, okay, you can now yank on that string and all the stress is right here on this knob versus trying to tear up your reel, okay? Another good accessory to keep your reel intact is a TJE Muzzy shoot-through rod, all right? Now, if you've been around the bow fishing world for a while, you know that this comes from TJE, and they've teamed up together. Muzzy now sells the shoot-through rod. Really proud to have that product on board and have this part of our system, okay? One of the strongest reel seats ever produced is kind of flown under the radar here for the last year and a half, is this tack rail reel seat. And this tack rail reel seat is made out of a solid piece of billet aluminum, okay? And it is manufactured specifically for the Oneida Osprey. It does fit other reels, and I'll show you in a coming video how you can even manipulate the back of this reel seat to fit other bows. However, it is specifically designed to fit the Oneida Osprey. Once again, it's a solid piece of aluminum. It will not move. I can take this reel, okay? I'm not gonna move it. I'm not gonna rip it off there. I'm probably gonna tear the riser in half or tear that, you know, foot off of that reel before it ever moves. But this reel seat was specifically designed for this purpose, and proud to be a part of it. Guys, the next part, and probably the heart and soul to shooting any spinner, is a quality rest, okay? The new Mantis 2 bow fishing rest is now a full capture rest. Complete piece of aluminum that is one solid circle, but we kept that little Durlin pad in the bottom. If you guys have shot other rests, even a solid aluminum rest that after a while will chip and drag on your arrows, and then you've got little pieces of fiberglass in your fingers. Well, this Durlin rest, or this little Durlin piece right here in the bottom of the Mantis rests, has done away with that over the last couple of years. I don't have raw arrows anymore, okay? I shoot them and shoot them and shoot them and shoot them, and they still don't get raw because that little Durlin pad is saving that wear on my shafts, and I don't have fiberglass in my hands anymore. This is a full aluminum machined archery rest, okay? It does have a laser marked windage on the side of it, and it's even got a lockdown screw to make sure that it doesn't move, okay? The Mantis rests have been probably one of the strongest designs made over the years, and you know, just another good accessory to the whole entire system. That's why I love shooting Muzzy stuff, guys. It's strong, it's rugged, it stays together, okay? And Muzzy stands behind their products 100%. But stay safe. Don't forget to wear those personal flotation devices when we're out on the water. Always look at the weather, changing water conditions, and think about safety first, guys. We have boats sink, and we lose a bow fisherman every now and then from being careless, and you want to think about safety first. Bow fishing is a lot of fun, but let's face it, we're out there in some dangerous conditions. We're out there in night time where we don't always know the waters that we're in. And you know, things happen. Well, when things happen and you're out in places nobody else knows where you are but you, it can get pretty bad pretty quick. So always be careful, think about what you're doing, tell somebody where you're going, and stay safe. I appreciate you guys tuning in today. Don't forget to share this video with a friend. Tell them about some of the new stuff from Muzzy Bow Fishing. And we might even have a new Muzzy bow. Gonna come out here next month. So when I get my hands on that more permanently, I have shot it. I've been getting lots of questions about the new LVX. But until I get one and can do a video for you, not really gonna say a whole lot. But it does have a hinge and have a lever on it, I'll tell you that much. Oh yeah. So we'll see you guys on the water. Stay safe. Don't forget to wear the PFDs, and we'll see you next time.